Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to the video. Now this video is going to be super quick, nothing super special or anything like that. It's basically just going to show you guys what settings you need to use for this emulator in particular to stop all the lag and hopefully just make your games nice and smooth like this. So even fast forwarding super smooth, doesn't really jitter or anything like that, but I'll show you guys the settings I use personally and hopefully it works for you. So first things first, go to config. Then you want to go to emulation settings. Now I'll bring this over here and basically just follow everything that I have check marked and so on and so forth. So make sure the CPU emulation mode, make sure this is clicked, check marked, make sure this is set to 100, and then you should click OK, and it's gonna reset the ROM, but I don't really need to because mine's fine. And then you want to go back to config after you reset it, and then you want to go down to 3D settings and then move this over, and then you want to make sure this is on soft rasterizer. And then for the rasterizer options, you want to click the first one and the fourth one, and then bring this threshold down to 0, and then enable line hack. So just click OK, you should be fine and good to go. And then last but not least, you want to go down to config and then display method, and then you want to make sure Opengl is the only thing you have clicked. So it should show a check mark, and if you it should be it. So just have that, and then your game should run a lot better. I mean, that's the settings I've been using, and I have a relatively newer computer, so it really does matter. But just if you guys fixed your lag with this, let me in the comments, and I have ones for Citra, Game Boy Advance, emulators, and all that fun stuff. So just let me know what you guys thought. If this helps, I really hope it did. And yeah, I'll catch you guys later. Peace.